Here it is the next question. What is this? When a carbanion accepts a proton, then it is converted into option number A, free radical, option number B, conjugated acid, option number C, conjugated base, and D is a radical anion. Here question is about protonation of carbanion. So here I will take methyl carbanion. Here it is negative charge and one lone pair of electron. Protonation and a reaction with proton H plus. So here this is electron deficient. H plus and electrophile, this is electron deficient. 0 electrons are present near to H plus. So what happens? So this carbon will donate pair of electron to this H plus. It will donate pair of electron to H plus. यानी carbon is electron pair donor and this carbanion is electron pair donor to H plus. This is a base. We know that electron pair donor is Lewis base. Electron pair donor species यानी Lewis base, electron pair acceptor यानी Lewis acid. This is acid. This is a Lewis acid. Now this carbon will donate this pair of electron to H plus. Already it is a negative. By donating it will acquire positive charge. So negative positive will cancel. This H plus having plus, that is positive charge. By gaining electrons will acquire negative charge. Negative positive cancel. And here formation of what? CH4. This is a base. So this compound and this methane will be conjugate acid of this. Conjugate acid, because this is a base. Carbon has pair of electron. Carbon can donate pair of electron. This is electron pair donor species. So this is a Lewis base. What is definition of Lewis acid? Electron pair acceptor species is said to be Lewis acid, and electron pair donor species is said to be Lewis base. So here it is a base. Definitely this will be conjugate acid of this. And answer is conjugate acid. This is the correct answer, isn't it? Here it is next question. In this multiple choice question, your reactant is cyclohexanone. This is cyclohexanone. A reaction of cyclohexanone with base sodium hydroxide. This is the base. It gives X. X is the intermediate product, and decomposition of intermediate product and decomposition of X, when X is heated, it gives Y. So here we have to find out Y. What is Y? So try to identify this reaction. Here it is a carbonyl compound, a reaction of carbonyl compound with base sodium hydroxide. In this cyclohexanone, this is alpha carbon, here it is also alpha carbon, and on alpha carbon there are 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. And a carbonyl compound having alpha hydrogen atom, here also 2 alpha hydrogen atoms, here also 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. This carbon is alpha because next to carbonyl group there is a carbon. And this is an example of aldol condensation. This is aldol type reaction. Actually, this is a ketol condensation. So this is aldol type reaction. Actually, this is cyclohexanone. This is cyclic ketone. So this reaction is said to be ketol condensation. Now here we have to find out X. So by using mechanism of this reaction, we can find X. Then Y. So here a reactant is cyclohexanone, carbonyl compound is cyclohexanone. So what is the mechanism of this? Formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion. For that alpha hydrogen is required. Here 2 alpha hydrogen atoms are there. So reaction of this with base sodium hydroxide, whatever it may be. I will take this alpha hydrogen. Remember, alpha hydrogens are acidic because their electronegative electron acceptor carbonyl group is attached. So this base will abstract one alpha hydrogen and formation of carbanion. This carbonyl group remains as it is. Here formation of carbanion. Now this carbanion is a resonance stabilization of this, shifting of these two electrons here, breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen, and a resonance stabilization is there. Here it is double bond, here it is O minus. So this is a resonance stabilization of carbanion, a resonance stabilization. Now what is step second attack of carbanion? In a step second attack of carbanion, so here it is carbanion, attack of carbanion on second molecule of cyclohexanone. Here it is second molecule of cyclohexanone. I will take resonating structure of carbanion like this. Reshuffling, shifting of again this pair of electron here and a formation of carbon oxygen double bond, breaking of pi bond and shifting of electrons here and again formation of carbanion. So attack of carbanion to this carbon. Here the total number of bonds to this carbon will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and new bond 5, breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. And what is the new structure? Here it is the formation of new bond, new carbon-carbon single bond between these two, this carbon and here it is carbon. Suppose this is O minus this one. Here formation of a new bond, it is like this, carbon-carbon single bond. Here carbon oxygen double bond as it is. Here it is one hydrogen. Now what is the next? In a step number 1, H2O is given out. This base will abstract proton and here removal of H2O. Same H2O added here. So this O minus will take this H plus and a formation of alcoholic OH. Here it is OH. Here it is a carbon-carbon single bond. A remaining structure as it is. So this is alpha carbon, this is a beta carbon, beta hydroxy ketone, and this is ketol. This is a ketol. Beta hydroxy ketone. This carbon is alpha carbon with respect to this carbonyl group. This carbon is beta carbon, and on beta there is a hydroxy group and alcoholic OH. So this is a ketol and a beta hydroxy ketone. So this is our X. This is our X. Now decomposition of this, when this ketol is heated, what happens? Heating of this. On alpha there is a hydrogen. Here it is this hydrogen. Here it is already one hydrogen is there. Now breaking of carbon hydrogen single bond and shifting here, and here formation of carbon carbon double bond. Valency of this carbon is 5. So removal of OH. So this OH and this H, removal of H2O. And a formation of compound like this. Here it is a double bond. This structure as it is. like this. Now what will be correct answer? This is our Y. Here Y is obtained after decomposition of X. So this is rolled out. This is also rolled out. This is also rolled out. See here. This is a carbonyl group, and with respect to carbonyl group, this is alpha and beta. This is alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Here it is carbonyl group. This is alpha and this is beta. Yani alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Yani these two are identical. So answer is D. Answer is what? D. Is it? Here it is the next question. In this multiple choice question, here it is a benzaldehyde and a formaldehyde. A reaction with 50% potassium hydroxide reaction with base. Here benzaldehyde without any alpha hydrogen atom, formaldehyde without any alpha hydrogen atom, and this is an example of Cannizzarose reaction. In Cannizzarose reaction, first formation, that is attack of nucleophile, then hydride transfer mechanism, and finally proton exchange of proton. This is the sequence of reactions in Cannizzarose reaction. So here it is the nucleophile is OH minus. Here it is a K plus and OH minus. Here nucleophile is OH minus. In step 1, attack of nucleophile on a carbonyl group of aldehyde. So here two possibilities: attack of nucleophile on this carbon of carbonyl group. Second possibility, attack of nucleophile on this carbon of carbonyl group. Now it will be favorable condition for this. Favorable reaction. Where is the attack? Where is the exact attack of nucleophile? If we compare reactivity of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde, we know that aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than aromatic aldehydes. Structure of benzaldehyde. Here it is benzaldehyde. This carbonyl group is electron acceptor, electron deficient. So there is a resonance structure, resonance effect here, shifting of this bond and pi electrons here, and then breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. Yet electron density around to this carbonyl group increased, and electron deficiency of carbonyl group decreased. But in case of formaldehyde, there is no resonance effect and there is no positive inductive effect. Isn't it? So here this carbonyl group is electron deficient. There is no backup to this carbonyl group. Here it is the backup of pi electron density and a shifting of this pi bond here and a formation of pi bond here, breaking up this, and pi electrons are there and electron density increased and electron deficiency of carbonyl group decreased. And remember, when electron deficiency of carbonyl group decreases, reactivity also decreases. Yani benzaldehyde is less reactive compared to formaldehyde. And there is an easy attack of nucleophile in case of formaldehyde, and a compulsory here attack of nucleophile on carbon of carbonyl group in case of formaldehyde. So here it is the attack of nucleophile. Yani what is the mechanism of this? Here mechanism. Attack of nucleophile. It is compulsory attack on formaldehyde. Easy attack because it is more reactive. Here it is electron acceptor, it is nucleophile. This is nucleophile and addition of nucleophile, attack of nucleophile. Breaking up this, and here formation of HCO minus. Here it is OH. This is the intermediate. This is attack of nucleophile. Now, a reaction with benzaldehyde. A reaction with benzaldehyde. Here hydride transfer H minus hydride transfer mechanism. Now reshuffling and shifting of these two electrons towards carbon, and here formation of pi bond, again here double bond. This carbon will be pentavalent, so breaking of carbon hydrogen single bond, here formation of H minus and hydride transfer. And a formation of new bond between this hydride and carbon. Now this carbon is pentavalent, so breaking of this. And here formation of H, C double bond O, OH and pH. Here it is transfer hydride H O minus. Here potassium hydroxide is there, so K plus will be here. Here, what is the next step? Exchange of proton and breaking of this bond and shifting of electrons toward this oxygen and O minus. So this proton will transfer toward this O minus and K plus to this. And here formation of H, C double bond O, OK in a potassium format, and a formation of PHCH2OH in a benzyl alcohol. So what is the correct option? Here it is a benzyl alcohol and a potassium format, and A is the correct answer. Suppose attack of nucleophile here on carbon of carbonyl in case of benzaldehyde, then product will be different, isn't it? And if product will be here potassium salt of benzoic acid, potassium salt of benzoic acid and methyl alcohol, answer will be this B. But here formaldehyde is more reactive and easy attack of nucleophile, here OH minus will attack here and formation of what? Potassium salt of formic acid and benzyl alcohol, and option is the first, isn't it? Here it is the next question. In this MCQ, a reaction of acetaldehyde and a propionaldehyde with base. Here different aldehydes are there. Common name of this compound is acetaldehyde, and this one is a propionaldehyde. In acetaldehyde, this one is alpha carbon, alpha hydrogens. In case of propionaldehyde, this is alpha carbon and 2 alpha hydrogen atoms are there. And both the carbonyl compounds has alpha hydrogen atoms, but both are different. And this is an example of what? This is an example of crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation. This is an example of crossed aldol condensation. Then what is the product and how many aldol products are possible here? How many options are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. In case of simple aldol condensation, only one aldol product is there. In case of intramolecular aldol condensation, one or more than one. And in case of crossed aldol condensation, this is an example of crossed here acetaldehyde, condensation of acetaldehyde with propionaldehyde. Condensation reaction, and when small molecules like water and alcohol is given out, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol given out, that is condensation. Now here my answer is a 4. मेरा आंसर 4 है. I will say answer is 4. How? I will take 2 molecules of acetaldehyde. Here it is the first. 2 molecules of acetaldehyde. Alpha hydrogens, I will show one hydrogen separately for our simplicity. A reaction with base OH minus. Abstraction of alpha hydrogen, formation of carbanion, resonance stabilization, then attack of carbanion here like this. And hydrogen from H2 again will attach to what? This O minus, and here formation of CH3. CH, and this CH, here it will be OH, here it is CH2, C double bond OH, here it is a new carbon-carbon single bond, this is a new carbon-carbon single bond. Now what is second? Two molecules of propionaldehyde, second one. Two molecules of propionaldehyde. This is one. Second, but alpha hydrogen is important, alpha carbon is important, so I will write CH2 and methyl group like this, C double bond OH, because this is alpha carbon, this is a beta, our interest in alpha carbon only. Again reaction with the base OH minus, this OH minus will take proton, formation of carbanion, attack of carbanion, breaking the pi bond, shifting like this, and H from H2O to here, and here formation of CH3, CH2, CHOH. Now this CH3, C double bond OH. This is alpha carbon, this is the beta hydroxyaldehyde, and this is aldol. This is second possibility. And here it is a new carbon-carbon single bond. What is third possibility? Third, formation of carbanion, now cross from acetaldehyde. Formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde. Formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde and then attack on propionaldehyde. So first I have to write propionaldehyde. Now formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde, so CH2H, C double bond O, H, base. This base will take alpha hydrogen, formation of carbanion, attack of carbanion here, and H from water again to this oxygen, and here formation of CH3, CH2, CHOH, then CH2, C double bond OH. Here it is a new carbon. Here it is a new carbon-carbon single bond. This is a new carbon-carbon single bond. Fourth one. This is third product. Fourth, formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion from propionaldehyde. From propionaldehyde and attack on acetaldehyde. So first I will write acetaldehyde here. Alpha hydrogen, so we will write CH1 hydrogen separately. Here it is CH3, C double bond OH. A reaction with base OH will take alpha hydrogen, formation of carbanion, attack of carbanion, breaking up pi bond and shifting like this. And a CH3CH, here O minus will take H plus from water, so here it will be OH, and formation of new carbon-carbon single bond, CH3, CH, here it is OH, CH3, and here C double bond OH, alpha, beta. So this is a beta hydroxyaldehyde. So this is a new carbon-carbon single bond. So how many aldol products are possible? Here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, and here it is 4. And the answer is 4. Isn't it? So in this crossed aldol condensation, 4 aldol products are possible. That's 25% each. So this is an example of crossed aldol condensation. Answer is 4. isn't it? In a doubt? In this question, in this multiple choice question, your options are not given. Options are not required. It is not necessary to write your options. Your reactants are given. Name of this reactant is acetophenone. This is acetophenone. This is a formaldehyde. This is a formaldehyde. A reaction of, so condensation of these two in the presence of base, it gives X. Heating of X, it is Y, and definitely this is an example of aldol condensation. What is the condition for this? What is condition for aldol condensation? Alpha hydrogen is required. Take this formaldehyde, there is no alpha hydrogen, there is no carbon, there is no alpha carbon, so there is no question of alpha hydrogen. But here, in case of acetophenone, here it is alpha carbon having alpha hydrogens. Yet formation of carbanion will take place from this alpha carbon. So first here we have to write aldehyde without any alpha hydrogen atom here. So I will write here. So first I will write formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. And acetophenone. So here for CH3 we can write CH2, one hydrogen separately. Here it is C double bond O. For this we can write pH. A reaction with base. Mechanism very simple as usual. Here this is alpha carbon. Abstraction of this alpha hydrogen. And a breaking of this bond and shifting of electrons like this. And here formation of carbanion, so attack of same carbanion here. And a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. This carbon will be pentavalent, so breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. So this H alpha hydrogen will go with OH minus, and again from that H2 here, that H plus will come here. So we can show like this. And here formation of CH2. CH2, here it is OH. This is a new bond, CH2, C double bond OPH. This is alpha carbon atom, this is a beta, and this is alpha, this is beta hydroxy ketone. ये कीटोन है, beta hydroxy ketone. Now decomposition of this is our X, ये हमारा X है. This is X. Decomposition of this. Formation of alpha beta unsaturated ketone, यानी a removal of one hydrogen from alpha. For the CH2 we can write CH and one hydrogen separately here, and here formation of carbon-carbon double bond and removal of this, and here formation of CH2, CH, C double bond OPH. This is alpha beta, alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, so alpha beta unsaturated ketone, alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This is our Y, isn't it? So this is an example of what intramolecular aldol condensation, and answer is what? Here it is Y. Get it out. In this question, your reactant is ethyl acetate. This is ester, and this is ethyl acetate. A reaction of this ethyl acetate with sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide is a base. Sodium ethoxide is a base, and a reaction with base. This is basic in nature. And here formation of this compound, and name of this compound is acetoacetic ester. Acetoacetic ester. In aldol condensation, product is either alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. Yani here, what is aldol? The meaning of aldol yani aldol either beta hydroxy aldehyde, aldol and beta hydroxy aldehyde, and if it is ketone, then it will be beta hydroxy ketone. Then it will be beta hydroxy ketone. In aldol condensation, there is no ester and first option is ruled out. Glycine ester, here it is ester is given out. We'll see about Dickmann's condensation. In Dickmann's condensation, this is the intramolecular glycine ester condensation. This is not intramolecular. So this option is ruled out. And in Cannizzaro reaction, we know that formation of alcohol and salt of carboxylic acid. Salt of carboxylic acid, and this option is ruled out. Glycine ester condensation, and here condensation of ester in the presence of base. But in a Dickmann's condensation, that is an intramolecular ester condensation. And this is not example of intramolecular ester condensation. So answer is a glycine ester condensation. Answer is glycine ester condensation. I will show the mechanism of this mechanism in short. Again here formation of carbanion, and carbanion is the intermediate. Formation of carbanion. Here it is alpha carbon. So formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion. For this we can write this is alpha hydrogen atom. Here also condition for glycine ester condensation, alpha hydrogen. Here it is alpha carbon. A reaction with base C2H5O minus. I will take O minus. This is a proton acceptor, so it will take proton. This is alpha hydrogen acidic. This is a base. Formation of what? Carbanion, and here it is CH2 minus C double bond O. OC2H5. This is the carbanion. Here lone pair of electron resonance stabilization is there. It is like this resonance stabilization. Then attack of carbanion. Attack of carbanion and attack of nucleophile here. Second molecule of ethyl acetate. Second molecule of ethyl acetate. Here it is a carbanion. Attack of carbanion here. Now this carbon will be pentavalent. Here also formation of new carbon-carbon single bond, breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. And this oxygen will be negatively charged. So what is intermediate? CH3, CO minus, this OC2H5. I will show below this OC2H5. And here it is CH2, C double bond O. Rest structure as it is. Now again reshuffling, shifting of again these two electrons here and towards carbon, and a formation of carbon oxygen double bond, and then breaking up this bond because here oxygen is more electronegative. Removal of C2H5O minus like this, and here formation of what? CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. And this is acid to acidic ester. So this reaction is said to be glycine ester condensation. This reaction is said to be glycine ester condensation. So answer is a glycine ester condensation. Is it? In this question, a reaction of acetoacetic ester. Name of this compound is acetoacetic ester with first sodium ethoxide, this is a base. Second methyl bromide, this is an alkylating agent. This is alkylating agent. Third acid hydrolysis, the meaning of H3O plus and acid hydrolysis. And fourth one is heating. See here, in this reaction CH3 C double bond O and this CH, it remains as it is. Now what is new here? It is a methyl bromide is the alkylating agent. And methyl bromide is the source of methyl group. Now attach this methyl to this carbon. And what will be the structure? CH3 C double bond O CH3 here. This is the acetone and this is the not answer. CH3 C double bond O, here it is CH2 and this CH3 and here it is. I think answer is this one. Here it is acetic acid, this is not answer. Acetaldehyde, this is not correct answer. Explanation of this in short is का explanation. So here I will take acetoacetic ester. Remember, in acetoacetic ester there is an active methylene group. Here formation of carbanion with active methylene group, reaction with base. A reaction with base. So this group is active methylene. So what is active methylene? Which methylene group is said to be active methylene? So here this methylene group is surrounded by two carbonyl groups, electron acceptors, electron withdrawing groups. That is why this methylene group is said to be active, and whatever hydrogen atoms are present on this active carbon, these are more acidic, isn't it, compared to methyl hydrogens, methylated protons. If we compare acidic strength of methylenic protons and methyl protons, definitely these alpha hydrogen atoms are more acidic compared to these alpha hydrogen atoms. So here this base will abstract proton from here only, because this is less acidic, because these protons are less acidic, because only one carbonyl group is there. But for this methylene group, two electron withdrawing carbonyl groups are there, so active and more acidic. So this base will abstract this alpha hydrogen, formation of carbanion like this. And here it is CH3 C double bond O. Now here it is CH minus, Na plus will be here, with here lone pair of electron is there, C double bond O, OC2H5. Isn't it? And abstraction of base, C2H5OH and ethyl alcohol is given out. Ethyl alcohol is given out. So this is a carbanion. ये carbanion है. A carbanion. What is source of these two electrons? After breaking of this carbon hydrogen single bond, shifting of both electrons towards carbon. So here it is, these two electrons. Now alkylation of this, इसका alkylation होगा. Second methyl bromide. यहाँ पे polarity है, methyl bromide, carbon electropositive, bromide electronegative. यानी this carbon is electron rich, this carbon is electron deficient. So this carbon will donate pair of electron to this carbon. And a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond here, breaking of this and a removal of Br minus. So this Br minus will take Na plus and a removal of NaBr. NaBr बाहर निकलेगा. And a formation of what? Alkylated acetoacetic ester and methylated acetoacetic ester. Methylated acetoacetic ester. Methylated acetoacetic ester. This is step number second. Step number third, hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. We know that in acid hydrolysis, ester group will convert into what? Carboxylic group. यानी CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, OH. Conversion of what? Ester group into carboxyl group. Here ethyl alcohol again given out. And final step is what? Heating is there. So due to heating, what happens? Breaking of oxygen hydrogen single bond shifting here in between carbon and oxygen. Now here formation of double bond. Carbon will be pentavalent. So breaking of this carbon single bond and shifting of electrons towards this carbon. So this carbon is negatively charged because it is electron pair acceptor. Here hydrogen is positively charged. So this H plus will get attached to this carbon. And formation of corresponding ketone. So here CH3, C double bond O. Now here it will be CH and this hydrogen it will be CH2. And here it is CH3. Yani answer is what? P. Ethyl methyl ketone is the product. Ethyl methyl ketone is the product and X is ethyl methyl ketone. Na2-butanone. Isn't it? Here it is the next question. This compound is dicarbonyl compound. Here it is a carbonyl group. This is aldehyde group. Here it is aldehyde group. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And IUPAC nomenclature of this IUPAC name of this compound is heptane 1,7-di-Al. This is multifunctional compound, multifunctional carbonyl compound. Both are aldehyde group, isn't it? Both are aldehyde groups are there. A reaction of this compound with OH minus and a reaction with base again. Now concentrate on this compound. Here this carbon is alpha carbon. With respect to aldehyde, this carbon is alpha and here also this is alpha. And on alpha, here two alpha hydrogen atoms are there. Exactly same here. Here also two alpha hydrogen atoms are there. And aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen atom, containing alpha hydrogen atom and reaction with the base. Here it is the base. And this is an example of what? Aldol condensation. Three types of aldol condensation reactions are there. Number one, simple aldol condensation. Number two, crossed aldol condensation. And number three, intramolecular aldol condensation. So here it is intramolecular aldol condensation. And a given example, given multiple choice question is an example of what? Intramolecular aldol condensation. Then how to solve this? First we have to identify X. What is X and then what is Y? After decomposition, when this X is heated, we'll get Y. But what is X? So mechanism of this is the mechanism. We know that step number one is the formation of carbanion. For that only alpha hydrogen is required. Formation of carbanion. Alpha hydrogen. Either you can take this alpha carbon or this alpha carbon. Identical. Both are identical. You can take any one alpha. So here, for this we can write structure like this. Here it is a carbonyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then aldehyde group. It is like this. Total number of carbon atoms are 7. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A reaction of this with base. Our interest in alpha carbon atom. Our interest in alpha hydrogen atom. Here these two are alpha. Here alpha hydrogen atoms, here also alpha hydrogen atoms. You can take any one carbon. I will take this alpha carbon. So reaction of this base and this base will abstract alpha hydrogens are what? Acidic due to electronegative nature of carbonyl group. So this OH minus and this base will abstract one proton. OH minus will combine with this H plus and removal of H2O. So breaking up this carbon hydrogen single bond and shifting of electrons like this, and here formation of carbanion. So what is structure of carbanion here? This aldehyde group remains as it is. Rest structure as it is. Then this aldehyde group remains as it is. Here it is a carbanion. This carbon is negatively charged with one hydrogen. Now resonance stabilization is there and shifting of these two electrons here, formation of what? Resonating structure I will show here only. Then what is step number 2? Then attack of carbanion, intramolecular attack of carbanion, intramolecular attack of nucleophile. This carbon is negatively charged and we can say this is nucleophilic. An attack of this nucleophile here. इस कार्बेनियन का अटैक कहां पे होगा? यहां पे होगा, लाइक दिस. ये स्टेप नंबर 2 है. इसकी स्टेप नंबर 2, व्हाट इज स्टेप नंबर 2? अटैक ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल. अटैक ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल. यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड हियर. After formation of new carbon carbon single bond, count valency of this carbon, total number of bonds to this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this carbon is pentavalent, so breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. Yade, what is the next structure? Next structure will be, here it is new carbon carbon single bond, here it is a new carbon carbon single bond. This aldehyde group remains as it is. Here on this carbon now oxygen is negatively charged because after breaking up pi electron, after breaking up pi bond, shifting of both pi electrons towards oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative. It will take electrons, so it will acquire a negative charge, and here hydrogen is there. Now, in this step, H2O is given out. So, addition of water here. So, this O minus will take H plus and a formation of OH. This aldehyde group remains as it is. Now, here hydrogen and here it is OH. On this carbon there is one hydrogen, so it remains as it is. So here it is this hydrogen. So this is our X. ये हमारा X है. Now heating of this. Heating. So alpha, this is the alpha carbon atom. So breaking of this carbon hydrogen single bond and shifting here. And here formation of carbon carbon double bond. After formation of carbon carbon double bond, count valency of this carbon. इसकी valency कितनी है? And a total number of bonds to this carbon. Total number of bonds to this carbon already 1, 2, 3, 4 and this new bond यानी 5. A removal of this. And a breaking of carbon hydrogen single bond, shifting will take place here. And a removal of OH, and this H and this OH, a removal of H2O. And a formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Here a formation of 6-membered ring. Here it is carbon carbon double bond now, and this aldehyde group remains as it is. So this is alpha carbon with respect to this aldehydic. This is a beta, and this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. And what is common name of this? This is said to be alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is aldehyde. So what is the answer? It is a 6-membered ring, and all these options are ruled out. Here it is a 4-membered ruled out, 5-membered ruled out. Here it is aldehyde. With respect to aldehyde, this is alpha carbon, this is a beta. And the position of double bond, position of pi bond in between alpha and beta carbon atom. Exactly same here with respect to aldehyde. Here it is alpha and beta, and a position of pi bond in between alpha and beta. And answer is A. Answer is A, isn't it?